Good morning, students. Today we are going to start chapter number 5th of moral science, that is the Brahman and the goat. Once there lived a pious Brahmin. Pious means religious. In a small village. His name was Mitra Sharma. He used to perform religious rituals. On one occasion, he was rewarded with a goat for his service by a wealthy man. The Brahmin was very happy to get a goat as the reward. He happily slung the goat over his shoulder and began the journey towards his home. On the way, three cheats saw the Brahmin taking a goat. In this story, once there was a religious Brahmin named Mitra Sharma lived in a village. On one occasion, he performed religious rituals, and for his work, he was rewarded with a goat by a rich man. He was happy and was going to his home. On the way, three cheaters saw him with goat. All of them were very lazy and wanted to cheat the Brahman so that they could take away the goat. They said, "This goat will fetch good money for all of us. Let's somehow get it." They discussed the matter amongst themselves and devised a plan to get the goat by befooling the Brahmin. After deciding the plan, they got separated from one another and took different hiding positions at different places on the way of the Brahman. When cheaters saw the Brahman with the goat, then they decided to make a plan against the Brahman because they wanted the goat, and then they hide in different places to make the Brahman fool and fetch the goat. As soon as the Brahman arrived at a lonely place, one of the cheats came out of his hiding place and asked Brahman in a shocking manner, "Sir, what are you doing? I don't understand why a pious man like you need to carry a dog on your shoulder." The Brahman was surprised to hear such words. He screamed, "Can't you see? It is not a dog but a goat, you stupid fool." The cheat replied, "Sir, I beg your pardon. I told you what I saw. I'm sorry if you don't believe it." The Brahmin was annoyed at the discrepancy but started his journey once again. Students, when Brahman was going on the way, then one of the cheat came out and asked him about the goat which the Brahman was carrying on his shoulder. He asked the Brahman why he was carrying a dog on his shoulder. Brahman told him it was not a dog, it was a goat. The Brahman was confused, but he moved on. The Brahman had barely walked a distance when another cheat came out of his hiding place and asked the Brahman, "Sir, why do you carry a dead calf on your shoulder? You seem to be a wise person. Such an act is pure stupidity on your part." The Brahman yelled, "What? How can you mistake a living goat for a dead calf?" The second cheat replied, "Sir, you seem to be highly mistaken in this regard. Either you don't know how does a goat look or you are doing it knowingly. I just told you what I saw. Thank you." The second cheat went away smiling. The Brahman got confused but continued to walk further. After walk a mile, he met with another cheat. That cheat asked the question that why the Brahman was carrying a dead calf on his shoulder. At this, the Brahman got angry and shouted at him that it was a goat, not a dead calf, and he started his journey again. Again, the Brahman had covered a little distance when the third cheat met him. The third cheat asked laughingly, "Sir, why do you carry a donkey on your shoulder? It makes you a laughing stock." Hearing the words of the third cheat, the Brahman became really worried. He started thinking, "Is it really not a goat?" He thought that the animal he was carrying on his shoulder might really be some sort of a ghost, because it transformed itself from goat into a dog, from dog into a dead calf, and from dead calf into a donkey. The Brahmin got frightened to such an extent that he hurled the goat on the roadside and ran away. The three tricksters laughed at the gullible Brahmin. They caught the goat and were happy. Then, after walking for a few minutes, he met the third cheater. The third cheater also asked the question that why he was carrying a donkey on his shoulder. Now Brahman yelled at the third cheater. Now Brahman, totally confused. He was worried. He thought the goat was a ghost who was changing itself from goat to different appearance. He got scared and he hurled the goat on the roadside and ran away. The cheater caught the goat. Moral: do not be too innocent to see through the tricks of others. It means कि हमें इतने भी मासूम नहीं होना चाहिए कि हमें दूसरों की चालाकियों का पता न चले. थैंक्स एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.